to the next video. We're opening the last Doc McStuffins surprise egg. Look. You guys see no more eggs, right?
Yeah, the last one from this
I'm not
pack.
gonna splash. I'm not gonna make any more chocolate pieces from the floor. I see I see a line. I see a line. You don't need to judge me. So you do like this? Like this? Okay. I just did that though.
Should be easier.
Oh no. Oh. Yeah, that's way easier.
See what's inside.
Oh, we got the little dinosaur. It's supposed to be green. Yeah, I saw it. It's green. No, it's not. It's a dragon. It's blue. Sorry. Do you want the flyer again? Okay. Maybe not. We have to put it down there. Now listen again. Show you guys again. And then this was the second one. This was... Oh. Sorry, Mom! Oops. This was the first one.
That's what you got from the box of
Yeah.
surprise egg.
How much surprise eggs do I have?
Well, we have a lot before. You check out all those old videos and you will see
Okay,
how many eggs you got.
bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we got 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Goodbye. I'm turning off the camera.